Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mirror Neuron, which means watch and learn. And today I'm going to share with you a very common problem statement that almost every online delivery service companies face, and that is the traveling salesman problem, commonly known as TSP. So I have found an article online which is at the website bytes.swiggy.com. For the people or my friends who are outside of India and not familiar with Swiggy, Swiggy is one of the fastest growing online food delivery service company in India. Okay, so here is a blog written by Mr. Devansh Gupta. I really encourage you to read this blog, very well written with a lot of good graphics and explanation that what exactly is this traveling salesman's problem. And obviously it looks like it's just a salesman related or delivery related problem, but it is not, as I'm going to explain a little bit further in this video, that this common problem can be also used in some other problems as well. And knowing how to solve this kind of problem, it is going to really help or build your skills in solving some of the data science problem as well. Talks about a common paradox that can you reduce the delivery time as well as the cost at the same time, right? Many people think it's impossible, but there are some ways and methods through which it can be done. However, this blog does not teach you how to implement those in Python, or doesn't teach you how to explain this in solving technically. Then but fortunately in Coursera we have one of the course which deals with this exact same problem, put that in a very nice well packaged course so that you can learn not only the problem statement but also how to solve them. So here is the in short, I'm going to explain that what that Coursera course will be teaching you. And it is going to talk about the traveling salesman problem. And first of all, it is going to introduce you the mathematical model. So the mathematical model that you will learn is going to teach you all about the delivering goods, planning a trip. This is the most general one, but also the same concepts can be used on data storage, compressions algorithm, and genome assembly, just to name few of them. All right, so what is the second chapter that is going to cover is the exact algorithms. That's what they call it. And they're going to basically teach you two methods. One is the branch and bound. It basically takes the permutation combination method, which is also the classical approach in combinatorial optimization. The course also teaches you about combinatorial optimization. The second method is dynamic programming, and you must have seen in many articles these days that it is one of the most popular algorithm. And because it can break the bigger problem into smaller sub problems and then try to solve it, so the course also introduces you how to use dynamic programming, a very must skill in data science these days. And just to let you know, there is no exact solution yet for this particular traveling salesman problem. It is still an open question in computer science. If you can come up with a solution to this, I'm pretty sure you're going to be selling yourself like a hotcake. All right, so again, the approximation algorithm, because as we don't have an exact solution, so we are looking for an approximate solution. So there are two methods to it which will be covered in this course, which is the one of them is the gives you a guarantee there is a quick solution, and another method which will work enough, well enough, but there is no guarantee. So these are all the things that are going to be covered, and all this implementation will be done in using the Python programming language, so that you can become good at in implementing algorithm which many companies are trying to solve. So I hope this small introduction creates an interest in, to learn how these bigger companies such as Uber, Lyft, Swiggy, Zomato, there are many companies who are trying hard to solve this commonly called as traveling salesman problem. You can try to learn it, and maybe you become your skills it would fit in their requirement, and they will probably interested in hiring you. That's why I brought this small introduction today, so that you get familiar what people are trying to solve, how to learn and where to learn, so that it can give the weightage in your resume. All right, so I hope you found something interesting today. If you really like our channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues. Till then, you take care.